Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to sign out of your Gmail account on any computer. First go to www.gmail.com in the web browser. Then click your profile icon, it's the circle in the top right side of the page. Click sign out at the bottom of the menu. Then log out your Gmail account. If you forget to sign out of your email and another computer, you can remotely sign out of Gmail. Then open Gmail. In the bottom right corner, click Details and then click Security Checkup. Click your device and log out our devices. Please like this video, subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.